Hi guys, so magsusundo tayo ngayon kay Miguel. Uwian na niya from school. Samahan niya ako, sundin natin si Miguel. Sasakay tayo ng jeep. Magantay lang tayo ng jeep. May jeep lang. Tabi lang po. Sunduin natin si Miguel, guys. Nabasa na nila. Nakalabas na kaya? Ay, hindi pa. Ayan na. Lalabasan na sila, guys. Kaya lang natin si Miguel. Hindi pa niya yan, teacher. Iba pa yan. Ayan na sila, Miguel. Sunduin na natin si Miguel. Andito na siya. Ito yung teacher niya. Saan na siya? Miguel! Kamusta sa school mo? Anyari dito? Pinutol mo na naman. Tanggalin mo na yan. Hindi na tayo. Kamusta sa school mo? RMA? Kamusta po?
Dami sa star eh.
Dami kay star? Ikaw wala. Ay, ikaw marami. Very good.
Sabay mo.
Ah, may store ka rin eh.
Nakita ko kanina. Dami wala eh. Tulong mo.
Ay, hindi lang makita.
Labo.
Oo, okay, malabo. Akin na yung bag mo.
Daya ang star na to eh.
Ha?
Daya ang star.
Oo, dahil. Akin na yun. Oh. Ay, sorry. Ano ginawa niyo sa school, Nak? Good? Nauna siya. May assignment kayo, Gel? May assignment kayo? Ha? Sa bahay? Gel, na-vlog ka. Oh, hold ka kay mami.
Hello. Hello guys. Wala pala also. Today's video. I'm going to school but I'm going home.
Ang dumi naman ng panis mo, no?
What?
Ang dumi naman ng panis mo. Anong ginawa mo?
What? What?
What happened to your pants?
Are you sleeping me?
Ha?
Are you sleeping? Wala po. Kaya po. Para po. Para daw po. They are going to 7-Eleven. Goodbye. Mami, gano'n ba ito?
No, just one lang.
Not ice cream. Candy.
Candy na lang dyan sa ano. Or we're not going to 7-Eleven. I should buy candy.
Ice cream.
Hindi dyan, girl. Nagpabili pa nga ng 7-Eleven ng ice cream. Dito. Tawid tayo. Wait lang. Tabi muna, tabi. Ayan kami. Cheap lang ah. Mami don't have money. I will buy you ice cream because you have Star. Diba? But if you don't have Star, I'm not gonna buy you ice cream. But since you have Star, okay. I thought ice cream. You said ice cream. Girl, you said ice cream.
I don't want ice cream. This juice.
May juice dun sa bahay.
Wala naman juice.
Meron. Oo. Asa, ayun yung ice cream mo.
Oh, wait. There's some...
Ayun, ice cream, girl, oh.
Now.
Miguel, you said ice cream. Yung chocolate.
Yes.
Oh, get mo.
Ice.
Pay it na. Pay mo na dun. Magkano ba yan?
Ice cream.
afternoon. Hold mo na to, Gil. Oh, what will you say?
Oh, how about bread? Look, it's bread.
Wag na, halika na kaman na.
No, the bread.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, hold mo yung video. Wait.
So guys, I'm holding this. So my mom is gonna open my ice cream to eat to feed me. Mommy, let's go there and go there. So tasty.
Kana.
So tasty.
So tasty.
Ew.
Dali na, move na doon. Tabi lang ah. Oh. Girl, wait, may tricycle.
Tricycle.
No! Can I have a bite?
Yes.
Thank you.
That's so big.
It's okay.
Are you an elephant? Mommy?
What did you do
What?
at school?
This?
Ha?
This?
Ano ginawa niyo sa school? Sabi ko,
I just joined a boat.
nag-drawing kayo?
Yes.
And then,
And I joined the boat. Yeah. We are that. Because we are not going home. Because my one classmate, the boy, is crying because he's...
nag-answer kayo ng math kanina?
Yes?
Oh, how it go?
Good. You give me a star.
Check ka naman. Correct yung answer mo. Ano yung ginawa ninyo doon?
I don't know.
Ano yung nag-plus kayo tsaka nag-minus? O sige na. Uwi na tayo. Magbabay ka na sa vlog mo.
No.
Say bye-bye na to your vlog, kid.
Go! Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye, video!